Today, I'll be taking a close look at Miro, the popular online whiteboard tool designed for team collaboration. First, let's talk about what Miro actually is and how it can be used. Miro is an online platform that allows teams to collaborate visually in real time, whether you're in the same room or across the globe. It's perfect for brainstorming, planning, or mapping out projects. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, it's easy to add sticky notes, shapes, text, and images to create a collaborative workspace. The layout is clean, and the workspace feels spacious. You can create as many boards as you like, and there's no limit to the number of collaborators you can have on a board at the same time. Miro integrates with popular platforms like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to sync your work across different tools. You can also use pre-made templates to quickly set up your board for activities like brainstorming sessions, retrospectives, mind mapping, and more. One of the standout features of Miro is its real-time collaboration. You and your team can work on the same board simultaneously, making edits and leaving comments for each other. The ability to see changes in real time makes Miro an excellent tool for teams that need to work together on complex projects or share visual feedback instantly. The platform also has a built-in chat feature, so you can communicate directly with your teammates while working on the board, which streamlines the collaboration process. Miro's mobile app is another great feature. Whether you're on the go or working from a different location, you can access and edit your boards from your phone or tablet. The app has most of the same functionality as the desktop version, so you can keep collaborating no matter where you are. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check those out after watching. Now, let's talk about Miro's pricing. It offers a free plan with limited features, but the paid plans provide access to more advanced tools, like unlimited boards and integrations, advanced security options, and priority support. The pricing is fairly competitive, especially considering the vast array of features available, and it's a great investment for teams that rely on visual collaboration. Overall, Miro is an excellent tool for team collaboration. It's feature-packed, easy to use, and has the flexibility to adapt to a wide range of workflows. Whether you're working on a project, hosting a virtual meeting, or planning a creative session, Miro has the tools you need to stay organized and productive. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on the best tools for teams.